Multiplication by 25. If you want to multiply any number by 25, we discuss it in two cases. If the number is divisible by 4 or if the number is not divisible by 4. So first let us check if the number is divisible by 4, how to multiply that number easily by 25. So first step what we need to do is, first step is we need to divide the number by 4. Divide the number by 4. After that, second step is append two zeros at the end. Let us discuss some examples. 16 into 25. So 16 is divisible by 4. Let us divide 16 by 4. 16 by 4 is 4. Just write two zeros at the end. It will become 400. 32. It is also divisible by 4. When you divide 32 by 4, you will get 8. Answer is 800. 64 when divided by 4 will get 16 and add two zeros at the end will become 1600. 24 when divided by 4 will get 6, so it is 600. 80 when divided by 4 will get 20 and write two zeros at the end will become 2000, or we can also call it 2000. 44 into 25, divide 44 by 4 you'll get 11, add two zeros at the end, 1100. 96 divided by 4 you get 24, add two zeros at the end, 2400. 120 into 25, 120 when divided by 4 will get 30, add two zeros at the end, it will become 3000. 144 is also divisible by 4. When you divide it by 4 will get 36, add two zeros at the end, it will become 3600. 616 when we divide it by 4 we will get 154 and add two zeros at the end, 15400. You can pause the video here and try all these questions. Once you are ready with all the answers, then you can continue the video to check the answers. Here are the answers. I hope all of you got the correct answers. If there are any mistakes, correct them. Now second case, if the number is not divisible by 4. In this method, first of all, we need to memorize 25 table starting from 0 up to 3. Why I will tell you. 25 into 0 is 0. 25 into 1 is 25. 25 into 2 is 50. 25 into 3 is 75. So you need to remember this. Why? Because 10 by 4 and we check the quotient and remainder. 4 3s are 12 and remainder is 1. In this method, you need to remember that the answer is going to be quotient number of hundreds and remainder number of 25s put together. So 3 into 100 is 300, 1 into 25 is 25. When you add them, you will get 325. So the answer is 325. So in the beginning, I asked you to remember starting from 25 into 0 to 25 into 3. Why? Because whenever any number is divided by 4, the remainders possible are from 0 to 3 only. That's why 25 into 0 to 25 into 3. You need to remember this. Let us discuss some questions. 17 into 25. When we divide 17 by 4, the quotient is 4. So it is 400 plus remainder is 1. So it is 125 is 25. So 400 plus 25 is 425. Next, 34 when you divide by 4, the quotient is 8. So 8 hundreds plus what is the remainder? 34 minus 32 is 2. So remainder is 2. 2 25s are 50. So that is 800 plus 50 is 850. Now 67 we divide by 4. When 67 is divided by 4, the quotient is 16. So it is 1600. 16 4s are 64. So 67 minus 64, remainder will be 3. 325s are 75. So answer is going to be 1675. 25 when divided by 4, we get the quotient is 6. So it is 600 plus remainder is 1. So 125s are 25. So 600 plus 25 is 625. 83 into 25. 83 when we divide by 4, the quotient is 20 and the remainder is 3. 325s are 75. So 2000 plus 75, we'll get 2075. Some more questions. 57 when divided by 4. The quotient is 14. So it is 1400. Remainder will be 1. 125s are 25. When you add them, you get 1425. 85 when divided by 4. The quotient is 21. So it is 2100. And the remainder is 1. 125s are 25. So answer is 2125. 223 when divided by 4, you can see the quotient will be 55. So 55 hundreds plus remainder is 3. 325s are 75. So when you add them, you'll get 5575. Similarly, 347 when we divide by 4, you can see the quotient will be 86. So it is 86 hundreds plus remainder is 3. 325s are 75 and when you add, you'll get 8675. 515 when divided by 4, the quotient is 128. So 128 hundreds plus the remainder is 3. So it is 325 are 75. So answer is 12875. Generally we tend to call this number as 12,875, but in this method we are getting 75 separately and 125 separately. So try to practice calling this number as 12875. There is no mistake in calling this number like that. Now there are some questions on the screen. Try all these questions. You can pause the video here, and once you are ready with the answers, then you can continue and check the answers. So here are the answers. I hope all of you got correct answers. Take some more numbers and practice this method. Thank you.